5.4 day 1, we're solving radical equations. So solving equations with radicals that have variable in their radicands are called radical equations. An example of a radical equations is 2 square root of x plus 1 equals 4. To solve radical equations, step 1, you isolate the radical first on one side of the equation if necessary. Step 2, you're going to raise each side of the equation to the same exponent to eliminate the radical, and you will obtain a linear, quadratic, or other polynomial equation. Step 3, you're going to solve the resulting equation using techniques you learned in previous chapters, and it's really important that you check your solution. Okay, I guess that could be step 4. So this first one, solving radical equations. We have 2 square root of x plus 1 equals 4. So to solve, we're going to divide by 2 because we want to isolate the radical. So we have square root of x plus 1 equals 2. Then in order to cancel out the square root, we're going to square each side. So this becomes x plus 1 equals 4. Then you subtract 1 from both sides. So x equals 5. Oh, no, not 5. X equals 3. Excuse me. Then you check your solution. So let's check. We're going to plug in 3 to the original equation. 2 square root of 3 plus 1, does that equal 4? So 2 square root of 4 equals 4. Then square root of 4 is 2, so 2 times 2, does that equal 4? And yes, 4 equals 4. So that's correct. The next one, we have cube root of 2x minus 9 minus 1 equals 2. So the very first thing we do is we want to add 1 first so we can isolate the radical. So it equals 3. Then in order to cancel out that radical, we're going to cube each side to get rid of it. So now we have 2x minus 9 equals 27. Add 9 to both sides. So 2x equals 36 divided by 2. So therefore, x equals 18. Then, of course, we should do a check. So let's check. Plug it in. I'll check it down here. So cubed root of 2 times 18 minus 9 minus 1, does that equal 2? And then so cube root of 36 minus 9 is 27 minus 1, does that equal 2? Cube root of 27 is 3 minus 1, so 2 does equal 2. So x equals 18 is correct, and x equals 3 is correct. So try out the next two on your own. Pause the video. Okay, so if we tried it out, add 9 to both sides. Cube root of x equals 3. Cube each side. X equals 27. And then if you check your solution, cube root of 27 minus 9, does that equal negative 6? 3 minus 9, does it equal negative 6? Negative 6 equals negative 6. That is correct. Next, we just square both sides here. X plus 25 equals 4. Subtract 25. So x equals negative 21. Then we check our solution. So we have square root of negative 21 plus 25. Does that equal 2? So this is square root of 4. And then, yes, 2 does equal 2. That is correct. Next, we divide by 2 first. So cubed root of x minus 3 equals 2. Cube each side. We get x minus 3 equals 8. Add 3. So x equals 11. And we'll do a check. So 2 cube root of 11 minus 3, does that equal 4? 2 cubed root of 8. Does it equal 4? So 2 times 2, that definitely equals 4. So that is correct.